Good morning. This morning we're going to be using a book to answer some comprehension questions and sound out some words, along with working on sentence writing. So I'm going to read the story first. We'll get started on that. This is Pop Fox by Barney Salzberg. Pop Fox. Pop Fox. Pop Fox and Pigwig like hats. Pop Fox likes the big hat. Pigwig likes the hat with dots. Pop Fox has on a top hat. Pigwig has on lots of hats. Pop Fox and Pigwig like hats a lot. Okay, let's look back at our story. Look at some pictures here. Pop Fox likes the big hat. Pop Fox likes the big hat. Which hat does Pop Fox like? The big hat. Good job. Okay, so buh. We're going to sound out the word big. So on your first line, buh, what letter makes the B sound? So you're going to do bouncy bin, big line, bounce it up and around to make your B. Big, I. What's your second sound? I. Impy ink. Good job. Okay. G. What's your last sound? G. Golden Girl G. So we're going to make a C, make her face, and then make her long hair that she comes out. Big. Good job. Let's look at our next picture. Pigwig likes the hat with dots. Let me turn it this way. Pigwig likes the hat with dots. Which hat does Pigwig like? Which hat? The one with what? Dots. Good job. Dots. What's our first sound? Duh. Dippy duck, which we're going to make by making a C, going up to the top line and down. Duh. Dot. Ah. What's that next sound? Ah. See? All the way around. Tuh. Big line. Little line for your talking test T. Dot. Good job. Pop Fox has on a top hat. He has on a top hat. What type of hat is Pop Fox wearing? A top hat. Good job. Top. So we're going to make talking test. Ah. Oscar orange. Peter puppy. Down, up and around. Top hat. Great job. All right. Let's practice sounding out a really short sentence. So when we write sentences, we always double check and make sure that we express our idea. So we reread the sentence afterwards. We use a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. We use a period or some type of punctuation at the end of the sentence. And we finger space. And if you have trouble with finger spacing, you can use a little popsicle stick instead to help you with your spacing. So if I said, I'm looking for a shorter sentence. Okay, how about if we said, Pop Fox has hats. That's a great sentence. So let's do our sentence rehearsal and let's count the words as we go. Pop Fox has hats. Pop Fox has hats. Pop Fox has hats. Now you say the sentence. All right. So Pop Fox has hats. How many words did we end up with in that sentence? 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we write our sentence, we're going to double check afterwards that we have all 4 words, okay? Pop Fox has hats. So our first pop. What letter should I write? P. We're going to make it a capital P for our sentence. Pop. Ah. See? All the way around. Puh. Down, up, and around. Pop. Now, Fox in this instance is the rest of his name. So our capitalization rules tell us that Fox should be capitalized because it's part of his name. In this instance, not always. So the rest of his name is Fox. Ah. Good job. Pop Fox has. Ha. Ah. Good job. So Pop Fox has hats. Ha. Hairy hat man. Ah. Annie Apple. Talking Tess. And then I'm going to look back over my sentence. Now, I got really excited here at putting a capital in the middle of the sentence, and I almost didn't leave enough space here. Considering it's on the board, it might need a little more space. So that's something to remember for if I write another sentence, is to make sure I do my spacing. So I used a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. Great job. I followed a capitalization rule about a name in the middle of the sentence. Great job. Spacing E. Spacing here looks great. Spacing here looks great. Okay, what else am I supposed to do with my sentence? We double checked that it made sense. Pop Fox has hats. We checked our capitalization. We checked our spacing. What have I forgotten to check? My punctuation. So always make sure that you put some type of punctuation mark at the end of your sentence. So this time we used a period. All right, well, I had a great time sounding out these words and these sentences with you. I hope you're having a great morning. All right, have a good day. Thank you.